So after months of hearing about the hype around Convex and how it's a potential Firebase alternative, I finally played around a little bit with it. And I have to admit, it's kind of pretty awesome. I started with the Convex docs, and it has kind of this Vue starter. And since I do a lot of work in mobile, basically what I did was I took this Vue starter, I wrapped it in Capacitor, and I created this sample Vue Convex Capacitor application. It's kind of awesome on out of the box how I get real-time changes. So this is my Android application over here. And if I come over here and I make a change to one of these guys, let's see, does delete work? Yeah. I delete, and you can see it kind of removed it over here from the iOS app. And if I go over here and say add another from iOS, you can see it gets added here, and it automatically gets added over here on the Android side. So this kind of real-time synchronization is pretty awesome. Works out of the box, working on mobile, iOS and Android with Capacitor. Um, I like the simplicity of it. Also, gotta admit, I like the code generation that it does, which kind of simplifies things. If we take a look here in the app view, you can see it generates all the code for the queries and the mutations. I documented this. So you have the hook that pulls all the tasks, you have a hook for creating, you have a hook for toggling the completion status, and you have the hook for removing tasks. And then all you're doing inside of your code is just kind of calling these functions that were already created for you by Convex. The ability for it to update in real time and sync those changes across is pretty awesome. Don't have to use React Query or anything complicated like that, and I get all this functionality there. I set up my schema. And then it kind of generates this task module with all the functions that are needed for it. I mean, there's way more I can go into now. I just wanted to do a quick preview of kind of a full-blown video that I'm going to do on the workflow of working with Convex and generating a mobile application using Capacitor. So keep a lookout for that. Thanks.